Imagine yourself in this Kia 2018 Forte X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 164 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.